Hi guys, it's Ruthie with the Purple Backyard Farm. Today I am going to show off my steel plant, mother-in-law's tongue. Some people reclassified this as a Dracaena. This guy here has been a trooper. He has been so neglected over the winter. But you know what? He's picking up in the spring. I threw him out on the front porch. It's only going to be, it's like a nice spring day. But he didn't get watered for a long time. But look, he has another baby in there. He's got some water in there now. It's going to be a fairly dry day. But look how nice he looks. But okay, now if you get one of these, um, if you want to propagate them, you just cut up those leaves in little chunks and put them right in the dirt and you'll get more. The other thing is they are pretty hardy. You can almost, buy them and forget them. They are poisonous, so it's definitely not something, if you don't like poisonous plants, don't get this guy because he is poisonous. But I've been very happy with my mother-in-law's tongue. I do have another variety over here. I want to get all of them eventually, but we'll see how it goes. I like this one's going to, I think, grow straighter up and taller, but I could be wrong because he was real tiny, didn't have any labels on him. So we'll see how this one does. But they're pretty happy. They're outside right now enjoying the day. And there's some other sickly looking plants around them. This, I think, might be the end of my peace lily, which I think I made some boo-boos on. It's very hard to kill a peace lily, but I did it. So anyway, there you go. Remember, guys, big or small, you too could be a backyard farm. God bless.